Welcome back to Westwood Engineering. So some of you are exploring revolves, trying to make spheres and balls for your little backpack charm project. Let's look at the revolve real quick. We learned this earlier, that a revolve is a shape that revolves around an axis. So let's select Revolve Boss Base, and it's going to ask me where's the sketch. Haven't made one yet, so I'm going to choose the front plane to sketch in. First thing I want to drop is a center line to revolve around. Here's my center line. Drop it, pull it up. Escape to get out of my line tool. Well, I want a circle, so I'm going to drop a circle and I'm going to revolve that. Give it a dimension, we'll make it fully dimensioned. In this instance, it'll be 3 inches. If I exit this sketch and I revolve it, it looks like it will work, but it fails. And I get this message that the sketch is open, self-intersecting, or intersects the center line. This one is self-intersecting. The way to fix this, I'll exit out of my revolve, is to go back to my base sketch, Control 8 to look straight at it, and I need to cut this in half. So let me go ahead and cut it in half. Drag a line tool, click on the top, click on the bottom. Now you'll see that I've got that closed body, but I've got 2 halves. I'm going to get rid of this left-hand half. The way to do that is with Trim Entities right here. Click on Trim Entities. This is the power trim. Start outside of the object, click, hold, and drag. Every line I touch is deleted. I now have a semicircle revolving around my axis. Exit my sketch, select my revolve, choose my sketch again. Lo and behold, it works this time. That's a revolve and how to use the trim function. The trim is useful in any sketch where you want to get rid of some lines. Be careful with it. It's a very powerful tool. Thanks for watching.